Hey, good morning. So we're doing the Go Devil run. We got the Jeep half loaded up. It's got all the tools and stuff. We still got to fit all this crap in there somehow. Heading out to Burns right now to get started on day one of the Go Devil run that Ian is putting on. Meeting up with the dudes. We think it's okay. Had to replace the fuel pump last night. I don't know where we're gonna put all this stuff. Anyway, we're definitely gonna have a good time. All right, dudes.
Add or keep it?
Yeah, I just grabbed the tire and rocked it all out.
1 inch lock up here?
Are we in full?
It doesn't matter.
Interviews for people who want to be part of the kazoo orchestra.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
There's like 22 of them. Got one with the coil out, one back there with a broken timing chain or camshaft. Drew right there, pimping. Got the old goat working flawless.
Run that's not charging until we touch this wire to the battery. Okay.
Probably run now.
Is it just vapor locking?
Yeah.
Yep. Got any clothespins? Isn't that how they? So we got Robert Keller and Dane being towed by Eric and Nadine. I forget Nadine's husband's name. Oh, his name's Drew too? Yep. Drew, we got the shade. Goat's working good. Put that in the tank. Hand pump it. And feed it. This is vapor locking.
It's like a professional job.
Yeah.
A professional hand job. We're gonna have to test out where's comfortable for you. Yes. No, we don't want to do that. We're just gonna go right in here.
We overcame the kneeling seats running the carburetor.
I'd say shut the hoods. Is that good? That vice grip is good?
That is awesome.
All right, let's see. Pump it!
That's your fuel gauge.
So you're just keeping the bowl.
No, it's not gonna siphon.
You're just keeping the bowl. Every now and then, a couple pumps.
Yeah, you got shit to do.
It's freaking awesome. Good thing it's not fuel injected and you need like 120 psi.
Shit's still freaking.
driver's side right there. Right up that one. Unless you want to try that center line. All the crack. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Hear that cow?
Is that what that was?
Yeah.
I was there and done.
No, thank you.
Woo, we gotta use the winds. Gas tank is just filled with debris still from the rust. It's broken loose, so we're road killing this straight in here with the hand pump. Filter goes down to another filter, to another filter, to the fuel pump, to some other stuff over here. And finally to the engine, hopefully. Problems solved. Starts his Jeep. It's his Jeep when it don't work.
Wiring guys started it.
Still trucking.
Let's do it.
We're like hour 8. Been fighting us the whole time. It's good though. It's fighting a bunch of people. Hit it with a sledgehammer, and today's the day it's coming off, but it's still attached. Ready? Ready?
Oh no.
Well, we made the top. We got one back at the bottom. Vern just turned around and went back down for him. We're hanging out here to wait. Look at that view, huh? Right. So we got camp set up here. Everybody's out running DeSoto Mine Trail. We had to figure out our fuel tank situation or we weren't gonna make it home. So, met a nice guy in town, gave us this fuel tank. Then we switched over to this because the red one last night worked great, but that wasn't our thing. That was his pump, so we had to use this. Reroute it. We're still road killing it through here, but we have enough gas hopefully to get home. 10 gallons here, some in the tank we can siphon out and then filter it through a shirt. We broke the windshield, so it's coming out. We're taking it out next. Anyway, so everybody's out having a good time. We're having a good time, but we're in camp. Everyone's social distancing. If you see two tents together, that's a pair. Those people live together. Just for all you people that want to ask and know. So now, come up into town, stop out, grab your lunch, and just join over here. Grab your ice from the general store here. Hang out with the owner, BS with him. Dude saved our butt today, and that's it. So make sure you stop and buy some junk. Seriously. Crown King, Arizona. Some stuff because it's non-stop fixing. Right now we're gonna figure out how to strap this battery down because the other battery broke. But I want to show you guys something cool. So you see this? This is what we use to get us up here. Right? So these guys were calling it a hand job. I'm pretty sure it has a real name. But this piece goes down into your fuel cell or a clean fuel tank or cup or jug. And then this is use it if your fuel pump goes out. We used it because our gas tank was bad, but another guy used it before us and he came up and you just literally hand pump it from there, just like that. And it pumps the fuel right up into your carb. They tied it right into here and he hand pumped it himself as he drove. It's actually really neat. Oh, there's the flow. So I don't know if they bought this or made it, but it's pretty cool. Anyway, back to the repairs.
Well, and you can start it and pull one off, see if it changes. Put it back on, pull the other one off, see if it changes.
That didn't go well.
I got more than that.
It's probably good. That too. Exactly.
Well, I asked him if he knew Carolyn.
Oh yeah. Carolyn loves dogs.
Everybody loves dogs.
And she loves wheeling.
It's like if you move to Moab, you get a free dog. When you're good.
She built her own buggy. She's cool. She's my teammate for my Jeep.